Many Brother devices have the ability to connect to security-rich enterprise networks, as well as communicate with external systems, such as third-party print management solutions. Some of these things require authentication through a security certificate. This video will show you how to upload a security certificate to one device at a time. If you would like to learn how to do this to multiple devices simultaneously, click the link on your screen or within the description. Please note that I will be using a Brother MFCL 6800DW during this video. The way to configure other Brother models may be slightly different. When exporting or requesting the security certificate, please note that it must be in base64 encoded X509 format. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser. From its address bar, type the IP address or node name of your Brother device in order to access its internal web server. Type in the device's admin password. Then click the Network tab. Click the Security sub-tab. Then click the CA Certificate option. Click on the Import CA Certificate link. Then click the Choose File button. Find and select the base64 X509 exported security certificate. Then click the Submit button. After a few short moments, the security certificate will have been uploaded to your Brother device. Thank you. To learn how to efficiently deploy a security certificate to multiple Brother devices simultaneously, click the link in the description or on your screen.